Yeah, I'm doing the transmission right now on a 2001 Chevy Monte Carlo. That's the new one right here. As you can see, it's the transmission, and it's the old one right here I just took up. I mean, it's a little, you know, fucked up ass transmission, but it's alright. The new one I'm putting in right now is a 2001 Chevy Impala. That's a 3.8 transmission, and as you can see, the car is already on the lift. Everything is out. The frame is out. The motor is already hanging. You know what I mean? Ready to put that bitch back in there. Man, it's a little hard ass fucking job, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get yourself back on the road. See the frame right here? That's the frame. See that? And you see all that mess? That's all the transmission fluid. I mean, that's the stand right there holding the fucking motor up so the motor won't drop. Car is up on the lift. See the lift? 2000 Monte Carlo. Not a SS, but shit fast as shit right here. I mean, fucking 312s in this bitch. I mean, 4 TVs in here. This shit win right here, man. I mean, this is my baby. I love this car. I'm gonna keep this car, man. But I should never more shoot after I'm done doing the fixing. All right.